Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 2 of practicing yoga from the very scratch. I didn't tell you this yesterday that we are learning Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. Take the standing position on the mat. Let's take the practice forward. So we are going to add some new movements to the yesterday's practice. Keep your head straight, eyes open, focus on the throat, breathe deep and loud. Relax. And now move your head side to side as freely as is comfortable to you. Breathing normal, natural. Move your head up and down, up and down. Now rotate. One clockwise rotation, one anti-clockwise rotation. Complete 5 rotations. Throughout the movement of the neck, the breathing will be normal, natural. Okay, now as you extend your arms forward, keep your fingers together, inhale up, exhale down. The movement is happening from the wrist. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now fingers apart. Now clench your fist and start rotating your fist from the wrist. Rotate. Breathing normal, natural. And now reverse the movement. Great. Now as you inhale, you will move your arms up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. As fast and as freely as is comfortable to you. Relax. Now clench your fist, thumb in folded with the 4 fingers. Deep inhale, hold the breath, and as you retain the breath inside, rotate your arm in the forward direction. Let's do it together. Inhale deep, hold the breath and rotate. Rotate your arm as freely and as fast as is comfortable to you, retaining the breath. The moment you feel I am no more comfortable holding the breath, you will bring your fist in front of the chest and exhale from the nostrils with force. Like this. Yes. Relax. Now we are going to rotate again, but in the reverse direction. This time we are going to rotate backward. Inhale deep, hold the breath and rotate backward. Rotate for as long as is comfortable, retaining the breath inside. The moment you feel you're not comfortable holding the breath, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale. Remember, you have to be comfortable throughout the movement. So don't exceed your limit. You have to be in your comfort zone. Now inhale, arms up, bend back from the upper body, exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back, exhale, return. Relax. Now, as you inhale, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Exhale, return. Head will also move back. So, see, try to bring the fingers closer. Inhale, swing back, exhale, return. Now clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Change the arms now. Clench fist with the left, hold it with the right. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Relax. Now, open your legs as wide as is comfortable. Place your palms on your waist, thumb in front, four fingers back. Roll your shoulders backward. As you inhale, bend back. As you exhale, bend forward. Relax. Now, keep your feet together, arms opening sideways. Lock your arms there. Deep inhale in the center. Exhale, bend on the side. Make sure you bend from your waistline. Your arm should remain in the same position. Relax. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance, fingers together as you extend your arms forward and twist back. Exhale, exhale, exhale. As you twist back, exhale. Relax. Now, as you inhale, you are going to open your arms and legs. As you exhale, close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Even arms won't be touching each other when they go up. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Relax. Breathe. Now, in the next practice, keep your feet together, arms extending forward, fingers together. Inhale deep, and as you exhale, bend down. Bend down till the point when your thighs become parallel to the floor. Hold. Breathe normally, naturally. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Up. Relax. Now, balance with one foot. Extend your other leg up and start rotating your foot from the ankle rotation. Breathing normal, natural. Rotate 10 rotations clockwise. After 10 rotations, reverse. 10 clockwise, 10 anti-clockwise. Breathing normal, natural. Once you are done, relax and repeat the same with the other foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now, feet together with every count, lift your heels up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing normal. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. It's time for Shavasana now. The Sukshma Kriyas are over. Yesterday we practiced belly breathing. Today I'm also going to teach you thoracic breathing, which is also known as chest breathing. First, relax your whole body. We'll be practicing belly breathing and then chest breathing. Relax. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now place your palms on your belly and get ready for belly breathing. As you inhale, you will move your belly up. As you exhale, you will bring your belly down. Inhale, belly up. Exhale, 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 belly down. When you are practicing belly breathing, the movement should happen only in the belly area. The chest should not move. So make sure you are breathing only through the belly. And now it's time to start the chest breathing. Cover your chest with both palms. When you are practicing belly breathing, the movement was happening vertically. When you will practice chest breathing, the movement will happen horizontally. That means the chest will move towards the chin. Here, the movement will happen through the chest. Inhale, chest moving towards the chin horizontally. Exhale, slowly bring the chest back to its place. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, chest down. Here, the belly will not be moving vertically. The movement will happen in the chest area, and as a result the belly area also gets stretched horizontally up. So inhale, chest moving horizontally up towards the chin and belly following it. Exhale, slowly bring the chest back to its place. Inhale, chest up towards the chin. Exhale, chest slowly down. Inhale, chest up towards the chin. Exhale, chest down. Inhale, chest up towards the chin. Exhale slowly down. Inhale, chest up towards the chin. Exhale slowly down. Inhale, chest up towards the chin. Slowly exhale, bring the chest back to its place and place your arms back to their places in Shavasana. Relax. Belly breathing and chest breathing together will deeply relax your body and calm your mind. Remain in this calming state for 2 to 3 more minutes. And with this, I conclude today's practice. I hope you enjoyed today's practice and learned something new. If you did, do give me a thumbs up and talk about your experience in the comment section. I would love to read what you felt, how you felt. And if you want to join my regular online sessions, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Keep practicing. Stay healthy. Namaste.